Today we'll talk about how can you find recent AI questions on your Canada app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on menu down here. When you just click on it, so when you click here on menu, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on my page here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on recent AI questions here. So then here you will find all AI questions you have. I have nothing, no records here. But if you have it, you will find it in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.